I usually have like thousands of ideas and I'm always writing things down in my notes. Sometimes I'm falling asleep and I'm like, and then I have to get up and write things down in my little notepad on my phone.
One of the hardest parts of any project a lot of times is really even just getting started. It's so easy to just be weighed down and paralyzed by your own expectations you have of yourself. The CapCut Video Studio really helped me just dive in, and we were able to just start iterating on initial creature concepts.
My name is Jakob Söder-Pedersen. I used to make a lot of drama in the real world. I shifted over to AI in the last couple of years because it's so fun. I'm currently working to create a film called The Dull Dreamer. We can choose between different models. You can choose a resolution and how long it should be, and then simply press generate.
First of all, spend a lot of time getting the script right, because that's the most important thing. If you don't have a good story, you don't have a good script, it's just, no matter what you do, no matter how beautiful the visuals, it's just not going to be compelling.
I'm Hilario Abad. I create films using AI, and the short film I'm working on at the moment is called Elevator.
I'm not a painter by any means, but I like to make my own sketches. I even like to draw all the movie.
Give the details, you give the information, and then it takes that information and structures it and, runs with it.
I'm a visionist, and they create AI films and visual storytelling projects. And the short film I'm working on at the moment is called Imagination, and it's all about the power of imagination and how it can transform something ordinary into something extraordinary. The combination between the canvas workflow and the agent, I can have all visually clear and well organized, and that's crucial.
Hi, my name is Ryan, and I make scroll-stopping AI content. The project I'm currently working on is Nana's Little Giant. It's about a baby elephant that was abandoned by its mother. It started with just an idea, but what do you do from there? What's going to grab the viewer? I have a story in mind, but how am I going to portray this correctly?
I'm Julia Roga. I'm a creative technologist. The short film I'm working on is called The Button, and it features my lovely dog Sybil and myself and us traveling to different universes or dimensions.
Brainstorming with CapCut Video Studio is unbelievable. This engine has amazing prompt adherence, and the AI agent inside of it will guide you to the perfect shot.
Another thing that you can do within CapCut Video Studio is you can quickly toggle and move the scenes around, and then it puts it into real time like a quick editor for you, and you can play through it.
I just say it how it is. I do speech to text. I don't write it out. I don't take all the time to think through. I just stream of consciousness. I'm just having it back and forth.
My favorite thing about CapCut Video Studio is the interactivity with the chatbot, which feels kind of like a coworker or partner in crime at some times.
There are other platforms that are using this canvas type setting, but what they don't have is they're not directly putting it into a video editor. And so I think that's where CapCut has an advantage. It's like I have my own video editor on staff doing it right away for me.